What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So a very long time, I've been asked over and over by viewers in my tech community, what's your daily driver? What does the Tech Preacher use as a daily driver? So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 smartphones that's my daily driver, right? And my tablet of choice, that's my daily driver, and also the computer that I use as my daily driver. And I'm going to talk about my smartwatches that I use as my daily driver. So this could be a good one. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. A daily driver is a phone, tablet, or computer that does everything that fits your needs. Well, let's talk about my daily drivers. Let's talk about the smartphones. Look, I carry 3 smartphones at all times. You may ask why? Why do I carry 3 smartphones at all times? Well, my 3 smartphones is for 3 different purposes. Let's talk about my first one. The first smartphone that I carry is the Galaxy Z43. Look, every year it's always been the Galaxy Z Fold, but this one here is like no other. I love the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's great for business. Think about it. I walk in my office, I have a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse and a monitor ready to go. So as I enter in the door, I'm connected wirelessly with DeX. So I can sit my phone down and boom, I can get real work done. I can get a lot of business work done wirelessly with my Bluetooth keyboard and mouse and a monitor, like answering my emails, doing my daily spreadsheets, doing my daily sales reports, completing my payroll, and everything else in between. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is my ultimate powerhouse of a device to get work done. Look, it's so neat to work with a client and to show client information with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 by opening the display up and you have a bigger screen. Look, the display on here is great. And you know what? I can use the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as my only daily driver, but I got other daily drivers that I use also. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 has best-in-class design, best-in-class display, best-in-class cameras. And yes, I really love the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3 actually can do it all. But you know what? I got another device that picks up the slack. And my second daily driver, and it's a phone that I absolutely love, is the LG V60. The LG V60 is the ultimate powerhouse if I don't want to use the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The LG V60 can take over, minus a few things, but it is a workhorse for me. It has best-in-class cameras if I need to take photos. It has great call quality. It also has a dual display, so it handles multitasking very well. The LG V60 is my ultimate gaming phone, so I use the dual display to play games. Gaming on the LG V60 is a jewel. Plus, I'm getting very long battery life with the LG V60, high-end performance with the LG V60. So it's one of my favorite phones of all times. The LG V60 is one of my favorite phones. And lastly, I switch between 2 devices, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Pixel 6. Both of these devices is great and I love them both, right? The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is great for taking notes using the S Pen on a bigger display. It's a powerhouse of a device that delivers best-in-class cameras, best-in-class performance, best-in-class display, and it also has best-in-class features. Oh my God. Look, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a great device, but every now and then I like to grab the Pixel 6. And the reason why is the Pixel 6 is phenomenal when it comes down to call screening. Call screening on the Pixel 6 is great. And plus having the stock Google experience with useful information throughout the OS is awesome. Plus we all know that Google brings great cameras. So the cameras on the Pixel 6 is great. And you know what? I'm totally hooked on the design of the Pixel 6. It's great and futuristic. So I love both of these devices. So I usually flip-flop between both of these phones to carry as a daily driver. So let's talk about the tablet that I use as my daily driver. For years, I've been using iPads to get a lot of work done, and it's been great. iPads has been great for me to get a lot of work done until I picked up the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. And I'm gonna tell you, I was wild, and I am wild about the totally different experience that I get with this device. The Tab S7 Plus is my workhorse when I get home and I start working on my YouTube videos, right? When I'm here in the studio and I need to get my YouTube videos done, I'm doing my research, the Tab S7 Plus is the device that I pick. It kind of replaces my computer in a whole lot of aspects. It has a beautiful 12+ inch display. It's versatile to get a lot of work done. And I love the USB-C port, and the reason why it's versatile to connect hubs, thumb drives, memory cards, all kinds of different things that I could connect to this device that I would usually connect to a real PC, but I connected to this device. The ultimate thing that makes this tablet a computer replacement is Samsung DeX. Now that's what I'm talking about. Once you use Samsung DeX, and once you really know how to use Samsung DeX, there's no need for a computer. Samsung DeX can do it all. And I love it. I mean, when it comes down to Samsung DeX, and I do have the keyboard with it and the pen, this is the ultimate experience that I have on a tablet. And it does replace my computer in a lot of different aspects. But with all that said, I still need a real computer to get some heavy tasks done. And my daily driver for my computer is the M1 Mac Mini. I have two of them actually. So I film with 2 or 3 cameras. I have high-end audio and all kinds of stuff like that. So I really do need a computer that can handle heavy lifting when it comes down to video editing. So my 2 Mac Minis does all the heavy lifting for me. Now I do have a Windows PC that I use for live streaming, but other than that, I'm using 2 Mac Minis to work all this magic that I have around me. Look, my studio is a little overkill, which I'm gonna make a video and complete tour about my command center. That's what I call this stuff, my command center. So next is my smartwatches, right? I have 2 Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LTE. I have 1 black one and 1 silver one. And the reason why is because I wanted 2 colors, right? The 2 colors that I have is great for me. So when I'm at work, right, I'm always rocking a black one. But when I'm going out to happy hour, I'm rocking with the family or something like that, I'm rocking the silver one. And look, the battery life on both of these has been great after the updates, and they've been great so far. Look, they're very useful devices that give me useful information, and I love the look. It looks professional. So when I'm at work, I got the black one on, and it does look professional, and I really do like it. So yes, I'm rocking 2 Galaxy Watch 4 Classics as my daily driver. So there you have it. The beginning of 2022 and my daily drivers, things that I use on a daily basis. Now, once we get deep into 2022, things might change when new tech toys come out. But as of right now, these are the devices that I carry with me all the time. When I get home and I get in the studio, these are the devices that I use every day. And I love it. This is the stuff that I love. Once again, the daily driver is the device that does everything that you needed to do, whether that's going to be a computer, a tablet, a monitor, a smartwatch. It don't matter what it is. If that device does everything that you needed to do, that's your daily driver. And you carry it with you every day, or you work with it every day, that's your daily driver. So these are my daily drivers. Look, I got a lot of videos. This is only the beginning of 2022. Let's have some fun. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. What is your daily driver when it comes down to a smartphone, computer, tablet, or a smartwatch, or anything else in between? Let's have a discussion down in the comments below. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.